Good morning.
Alright, so we're going to see if we're about to get
Bitter up in this bitch.
And I know we are.
The Bitterwood boys have just released a new song. And I'm excited. It's going to slap. It's going to be heavy. I think it's going to have some hardcore vibes to it. I was reading some of the comments. I've been a little nosy. I was reading some of the comments. They're describing them as like a hardcore, like kind of deathcore, slammy, pig squilly band. Which from their song Withdrawal that I reacted to a couple of videos back or a couple of weeks ago. Beautiful. So, anyways, but this is Bitterwood, White Noise featuring Final Words, official music video. Slam worldwide, so I'm excited. Let's go. Y'all didn't hear that. Okay, y'all ready? 3, 2, 1, let go. Well, we hope y'all are doing fantastic this morning, afternoon, evening, whenever you're watching this. Let's go, baby.
I will see you soon.
Oh, this was short to the 42 minutes. Okay. Oh, ooh. Yeah, I'm getting the hardcore vibe.
Just feels right on follow, so too near to feel alone. Grab tight my mother's head, the only feeling she felt that night.
Oh, this is good. Let's go.
I've been contemplating what I feel, where I go, into the trust.
Slaps. I love it. That's somebody else.
Love mine. Leave me!
Oh.
Forget me!
Come on, fellas. That's it. Oh.
Hey, you. You're fine.
What was that? Was that from like a PS2 game or something? Oh my god, dude. That was Bitterwood with their song White Noise. Damn, that was short and sweet to the point. That banged. I'm excited that y'all released some new music. Is this off of an album that's coming out? I don't know. Man, you boys are from Scotland? I didn't know that. Nice. Okay, so that is off of an EP called The Story. So, head him up on the social music platforms down below. Put a link. That was good. That was really good. I enjoyed more of the hardcore vibes to that. I grew up more of a hardcore kid back in the day, but I like how y'all are intertwining some of the new metal. It's kind of like the slammy stuff with the piggies. Y'all know me too well. But anyways, that was Bitterwood, White Noise featuring Final Words official music video 2021. Hope you guys enjoy the show like always, and I'll put a link, like I said, down in the description to the shit. Come subscribe down below.